I'm fucking tired. There was mopeds, there was cars, there was dogs barking. It's a scam car park. Little boxes sat up here. A couple of locals in it. Charge us €4 from 5:30. They go at 6. The abandoned building? No? Yeah?
I would. Look at my dad climbing.
I might come across some crackheads.
You coming up?
Yeah. We have reached the top of the abandoned building. See the whole city of Mostar. This is the city hall, guys. Some nice buildings here. But in the middle of the buildings, there is buildings that were still bombed from the war. Very big church, that, isn't it? So, guys, it's 75 meters to the bell and 107.2 meters to the very tip of the cross on the top. This is called the little old bridge. We're going to cross back over that now. I'll zoom in a bit. Hang on. There you go. Go on, go get on the bridge. There goes Lily, mate. These bridges are all from the Ottoman period. Pretty cool. It's a lot nice at night. We're on the other side, guys. They'll do it all the time, innit?
Maybe not.
Well, this guy up here, I don't think he's ever going to jump in. The guys have made it to the bridge. This guy's still stood here, not jumping off. This bridge reminds me of China. I think Lily thinks I've walked off. Otherwise she's going to turn around and see that I've not. She's on a flyer. We have to try and catch her up now. Right, stood next to you and you were just running off. You monk. You didn't even turn round, have a look. We just stopped for a drink. Those are both sweating buckets. So I think this was 3 dinar each. About £1.20, £1.30, something like that. It's good that. Guys, we're done with our sightseeing. We've done about 7 miles so far. We've found a SIM card, 30 gigabytes for 30 days. For 18 quid. More derelict, bombed out buildings. Just thought I'd show you this giant Easter egg.